Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Etrade account. First, you'll select the type of account you wish to open, like an individual brokerage or a retirement account. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information, including your full name, current address, and social security number. It's important to have these details ready to ensure a smooth application process. Finally, carefully review all the terms and conditions before you agree and move forward. To complete your application, you'll need your social security number or taxpayer identification number. Etrade also requires details about your employment status and estimated annual income to understand your financial profile. Be prepared to verify your identity using a valid government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport. This step helps ensure the security of your new account and complies with financial regulations. Once your account is approved, it's time to fund it. The easiest way is to link your existing bank account for electronic funds transfers. You can also transfer an existing investment account from another institution directly to Etrade. Remember, there's often a minimum initial deposit required, which could be around $500, depending on the account type you chose. This step gets you ready to start investing. After funding, confirm your account activation, usually through an email notification or directly on the Etrade platform. Take some time to explore the various investment tools and educational resources Etrade offers to help you make informed decisions. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. If you encounter any issues, Etrade customer support is always available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.